So hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Harshwal. Welcome to Daily Easy. Today in this video, I am going to discuss Delhi High Court's recent decision in a case in which the court said that peeping into public bathroom when woman is bathing offense under Indian Penal Code, even if bathroom has only curtain and a curtain and no door. So this is a very interesting decision. Let's discuss in this case what the court has said. They further said that the Delhi High Court on Thursday held that taking a bath in bathroom is a private act, even if the bathroom is a public bathroom and does not have a door but only a curtain. Then hence if a person peeps into such a bathroom when a woman is taking a bath, it would attract the criminality of voyeuristic behavior under section 354 C of Indian Penal Code. What is the definition of section 354 C? Let me know in the comment section, and further let's discuss what happened further in this case. Justice Swarna Kant Sharma observed that a woman taking bath inside a closed bathroom will reasonably accept that her privacy is not invaded and she is not seen or watched. Right, the act of a perpetrator peeping inside the said bathroom will certainly be regarded as invasion of her privacy, and the sexual integrity of every person has to be respected, and any violation of the same should be dealt with a stern hand. The court underlined in this case, and Justice Sharma Justice Sharma in this case was dealing with an appeal filed by a convict named Sonu or Bila, who was convicted by the trial court for offence under section 354 subsection C of Indian Penal Code and section 12 of the Protection of Children and Children from Sexual Offences POCSO Act 2012. And Sonu was sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for a period of 1 year and a fine of 20,000. So that's all about our discussion. What do you think about the decision of the High Court and the trial court? Let me know in the comment section. But before you, I want you to subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon with more updates. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.